It's back. Sunshine, glorious sunshine. Good morning from sunny, beautiful St. Augustine. Today is a lot better than yesterday, and tomorrow's going to be a lot better than today. And then we're going to start it all over again. I got the pillows drying out on the trampoline. They're actually pretty dry. They're made for this type of stuff, so that's good. Shouldn't take them long to dry out. New battery in there. Doesn't sound like anything's happening. Nothing. Got my little helper today. Well, that's a bummer. Igniter for the stove still not working. Not a critical thing at all. Won't prevent us from going sailing, so not going to spend any more time on it right now. Maybe another day when there's free time, if that ever comes.
Here's what I did today. This is like the washroom, the owner's washroom. So I finished scrubbing this area, which looks pretty good, and this side. That some stuff in there that won't come off, but all the adhesive is off the wall, which is really good. So now it's ready for me to put the headliner back up, but I have to wait for, I ordered some special adhesive that's supposed to be for moist conditions. So waiting for that to get here, but otherwise I cleaned this thing top to bottom. Woo. And I scrubbed these guys, had a bunch of corrosion, got that off. This guy down here was like pretty much covered in rust. I removed a lot of the rust, but also removed a lot of the paint. But anyway, I gave that a shot. So yeah, now it's just ready to get the headliner back up. And that means that this whole owner's suite now is, or owner's hole, I guess, is clean. So yippee!
We're getting ready to go, and Warren was unplugging the heater and had a little problem. I think we discovered that this outlet needs to be replaced. Yeah, that smell that we were smelling the other day that I said was fish was probably this plastic burning.
Sleepy cat.
What are you putting up there?
Peas! Field peas. They're delicious. Courtesy of the McDougald household. Good night!
What's up there? A whole new world out there. You wanna go swimming? Not even, huh? Your whole world's going to change in ways you have no idea.